This guide aims to figure out how to save text messages on iPhone by providing users with 5 optional methods to save text messages on their iPhones safely. These techniques range from built-in features to 3 third-party tools, each catering to different preferences and needs. How to save text messages on iPhone to computer in one click. As powerful software, Robokin Assistant for iOS allows you to manage your iPhone data seamlessly. One of its notable features is its ability to save messages from an iPhone to a computer effortlessly. How do I save text messages on my iPhone with Assistant for iOS? Step 1. Start by connecting your iPhone to your computer and launching the Assistant for iOS program. Step 2. Select SMS conversations to back up. Step 3. Click the Export button and choose your preferred output location. This intelligent program also lets you can also take a bulk backup of your iPhone, including your texts. To make it, click on Super Toolkit from the main screen of the program. Select iTunes Backup and Restore. Choose Backup from the top menu. Part 3. How to save messages on iPhone locally by taking screenshots. For settling matters using messages, take screenshots and save them locally. Part 4. How to save iPhone text messages to iTunes. iTunes keeps various iOS files, not just texts. Syncing your iPhone with iTunes will automatically save texts and messages. Part 5. How to save texts on iPhone to iCloud. iCloud offers backup for various data like text messages, contacts, notes, photos, and more. Using messages in iCloud allows you to save all your messages to the storage, making them accessible across devices with the same Apple ID. Part 6. How to save all text messages on iPhone to email. This service provides a great way to back up text messages on iPhone without iCloud. If you're switching to a new phone, simply forward the text messages to the new number. Alternatively, you can forward the messages to an email address.